Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make this shrimp powder. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. Here are the shrimps that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to start by washing them, and you need to wash them properly. I'm going to repeat the process up to 5 times, so you need to wash it properly guys. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Shade, and feel free to watch the video. And if you want to be a part of this family, please hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos that I'm going to be uploading. You know why? Because in this channel we make a lot of delicious recipes. We make Italian recipes, African recipes. We make a lot of things happen in this channel. So just subscribe to this channel. You will see all these delicious recipe. Thank you my lovely people. So now I'm going to start the cooking process. I'm going to add some warm water. I'm just going to stir everything together because you want the water to be the level of the shrimps. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll stir everything together so that the salt and the water and the shrimp will mix together very well. Once the shrimp started boiling, you just leave it for 6 minutes. Then it's done. As you can see, I'm just going to take the shrimps out of the pot. I'll put it in my filter. I will allow all the water to drop out very well. So guys, I decided to share this recipe with you guys because during the lockdown period crayfish was so scarce. I couldn't find crayfish anywhere. So I decided to make this shrimp powder guys, and it was really helpful to me. This is an alternative. Anytime we find ourselves in a situation like that, we can definitely find a way out. And also this is good for your little ones. It's very healthy. Anytime you make their food, you can take half of a tablespoon and sprinkle it on top of their food. It's really good for the young ones as well. So now I'm just going to spread it around the tray, then I'll put it in the sun. So as you can see, I've just put them under the sun, and I dry these shrimps for 48 hours because the sun was very hot. So if you have sun, kudos to you, you can do this. Here is our shrimps after 48 hours. Now I'm going to be peeling off all the shells. You can use your hands to peel off the shells, or I will show you another way you can do that. You can use your pillowcase that you are not using any longer, or you can use a chiffon material to do this. I'm just going to put them inside the pillowcase. I'm going to take my wooden hammer. I'm just going to be hitting it with the wooden hammer, just the way I'm doing it too. Don't do it too hard, just do it the way I'm doing it. This will help you to remove all the shells, because if you want to do it with your hands, it will take you a long time to finish all those shrimps you were seeing there before. So using this one really makes it to be easy for you. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So now I'm just going to use my hands to select all the shrimps out of the shells. This really makes it easy for me. If not, it would have taken me a long time to take off all those shells away from the shrimps. So here is the shrimps. So beautiful, guys. I love the colors. So here is the shrimps. I've taken off all the shells, and as you can see, the shrimps is very dry, because if it's not dried, you can blend it with your blender. So I'm just going to be blending everything into a powder. So here is the end result, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So beautiful. Look at the color. So guys, you can give it a try. It's so nice. You can use it for your kids, your little ones. Use it to cook anything you want to cook. Soup, stew, anything. Guys, give it a try. At this point, I'm going to leave you, and I will see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.